Welcome to Thurston Throwback. I'm Jamison Murphy from the Washington State Archives, coming to you from the Thurston County Fair.
So Thurston Throwback is a conglomeration of historical societies and museums and genealogical societies in Thurston County that are celebrating history in our county.
It's family history, and it's history of the oldest American community north of the Columbia. And it's all the home of the Olympia Brewing Company. That's when the Schmidts arrived. Olympia-Tumwater was 50 years old. So there's a rich history, and I'm a storyteller anyway, so I get to tell the many stories of Tumwater's founding and its growth, and we're making history yet today.
We're doing some fun things with technology. That's our theme this year. We'll pick a theme every year, and we're hoping to stay at the fair for a while. We're here on Sundays, so it's a good time to come out and bring out the family. And we have a lot of hands-on activities that we'll do.
We like to let the kids discover what our pioneer ancestors used to do for labor and for making, in this case it was grinding wheat into flour. There's rope making machines over here. There's all kinds of things that the kids get to learn, and I think the adults enjoy it just as much as the kids do. Not everybody knows how rich of a history we have here in the Olympia-Tumwater Lacey area.
Join Thurston Throwback every year on the last day of the Thurston County Fair. See you there!